How to fix Google Play Store download stuck. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store download stuck problem. If apps won't download or stay stuck on pending, it's usually caused by corrupted Play Store cache or unfinished updates. Just follow these steps carefully. First, open the Google Play Store and cancel the current download that is stuck. After cancelling, close the Play Store completely. Now, open settings on your Android phone. Go to Apps, search for Google Play Store, and tap it. Open Storage and then tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data and confirm. This refreshes the Play Store and removes corrupted files. Open the Play Store again, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Manage apps and devices, updates available, install all pending updates. Sometimes downloads get stuck because other apps are waiting to update in the background. After the update finish, try downloading your app again. Your downloads should now start normally. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below.